Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get VLOOKUP in Excel. First, understand that VLOOKUP is a powerful function designed to search for a specific value in the first column of a data range. Once it finds a match, it retrieves a corresponding value from another column in the same row. This makes it incredibly useful for tasks like merging data from two different tables or quickly finding specific information within a large dataset. We'll cover the 4 essential arguments you need to master. Let's break down the 4 key arguments for VLOOKUP. First, the lookup value is the specific piece of data you're trying to find. Second, the table array is the entire range of cells where your data resides, including both the lookup column and the result column. Third, the call index num is a number indicating which column in your table array contains the value you want to retrieve. Finally, range lookup determines if you need an exact match, typically set to false or 0, or an approximate match, set to true or 1. Now let's walk through implementing VLOOKUP. Begin by selecting the cell where you want your result to display. Type equals VLOOKUP, followed by an open parenthesis. Next, input your lookup value, which could be a cell reference or a specific text string in quotation marks. Then, define your table array, making sure the column you're searching in is the very first column of this range. After that, enter the column index number for the data you wish to retrieve, and finally, type false for an exact match. Here are some crucial tips for using VLOOKUP effectively. Always ensure that the column containing your lookup value is the leftmost column within your specified table array. Also, use absolute references like $signs for your table array to prevent it from shifting when you copy the formula. For more advanced scenarios, consider exploring XLOOKUP. It offers greater flexibility, allowing searches to the left and right, and handles approximate matches with more intuitive arguments, often making it a superior choice for modern Excel users.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.